Oh God. Oh, fuck.
Oh no.
Oh fuck. Oh, it's piling up. Oh my God. That wasn't even a fart, that was like a queef.
A queef?
Yeah.
I'm a queen.
No.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, me and my friends are going to be shitting into each other's mouths. It's a keychain.
Happy pen.
Ow! What the hell, dude? Dude, I made it.
You lied.
Will!
Will!
Oops, you just fucking kicked me in the nuts! Yeah. Dude, your foot slipped off the side of this and just landed in my nutsack. I made it.
My God.
Dog!
Here, catch.
Nipples! Ah! Ow! Thanks, Eli.
You're welcome.
For doing that for the video.
Ah!
Yay! Will! Oh! Oh, Jesus!
You died! Ow! Ow! Youchie! Youchie!
That was sick. We're going sledding again.
Okay, just get your ass up here. Okay, yeah.
Dude, I can't even get up.
Really?
I can't get up.
Oh my God. I thought you were lying.
No, dude, it's
Like
actually
you're faking that.
it's actually slippery as fuck.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. I don't think you realize how slippery this is. It's like someone lubed up ice. That's how slippery this is. It's your turn, Will. Oh, dude, jump off! Jump off the edge! Jump off the edge! Okay, so the plan was to build a ramp to jump this thing, right? But this shit's way too hard and icy. I would die. I would legitimately die. And I don't want, dying's bad. Just walk up, dude, it's not even that bad. Just walk up. Just walk up the snow. It's not that bad, come on. Ah! Yeah. Oh, crap. Alright, my turn. Whoa! 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 I'm gonna pass him! I'm gonna pass him! Whoa! 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 Look at Will with his fucking beta sled. I got the alpha sled. Because I'm cool. Yahoo!
You zoom. Absolutely zoom. Oh no. Ah!
There's a massive echo here, and whenever there's a place with echo, you have to shout, penis!
A little louder.
Louder?
Louder.
Penis!
That's some weak shit.
Oh, okay, you try.
Yeah.
See how loud you scream it.
Penis!
Okay, that was pretty good.
Yeah.
That was here. Let me try and rebuttal.
Rebuttal?
Penis!
That was really good.
Right?
I think that was the winner right there.
That's the winner. That's the one. So,
This dumbass.
no, it's fine. I'm going. I'm going. Yay! I'm floating. This is epic sauce. I'll stop. Push off.
Too much grass. They need to mow it.
Dude, I think I'm stuck. I can nudge along. I'm going. Nope. I'm stuck again.
You're gonna get so stuck up there.
Oh, okay, I'm going.
And oh, I guess not.
Okay, I'm moving now.
Oh my what?
Off. Oh, Jesus. This is like the river rapid ride. Oh, God. Oh, fuck.
Oh no!
Oh, fuck. Oh, it's piling up. Oh, fuck. Move. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. No.
Should I help you?
No. Oh, okay. I'm almost at the end. Should I go full way or should I get
you
out
should
now?
just get out now.
Okay, help. Oh, dude, there's water seeping in.
I don't know if that's probably not filming it, you know?
It's fine. Just get me out, dude. It's in my nuts.
Oh, fuck. No. Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
Oh, God, it's trickling down my legs. Feels like I peed myself. I think I did pee myself. Come on, you can finish the ride without me. Look at this little fucker on his fast sled. I want a fast sled.
Oh, you're so good.
Oh, God, that hurts so much. Oh. Yeah, bro.
Slide it across the ice.
Here, no, I'm gonna spin it. You guys are gonna spin. Ready? Wow. Oh, no. Hey. Oh, God. Whoa! Whoa!
her.
I didn't want to fly into the tree.
You should have. That would have been funny.
Come on, Will. We have to go. Just climb up. Come on, what's taking you so long? We gotta skedaddle. Come on, take your time, all right? Gee.